Let's begin as we always do, finding as comfortable position for the body as possible. Your surroundings do not have to be perfectly calm and quiet, but it would be great if you were able to close your eyes and fully focus on yourself for a short while. Just giving yourself a bit of time and space to breathe and feel. Let your breathing become as slow and deep as it's comfortable for you, focusing gently on taking a deep breath in, letting the chest and the belly expand as fully as possible, and then noticing how the breath slowly exits the body and your chest and belly deflate. A deep, nice inhale and a slow, relaxing exhale. There is no need to control the breath, just let the body breathe in the way that works best for you. Once you feel your body and breathing has settled in the present moment, you may start noticing various sensations in your body, perhaps first simply assessing how your body feels right now. Is there tension or tiredness present? Notice where you feel these sensations exactly. Can you consciously release some of the tension, relaxing the muscles of the face, letting the jaw drop, relaxing the neck and shoulders, feeling arms becoming heavier, letting the belly be soft and relaxed as well. Relaxing leg muscles all the way to the feet. Maybe there is a feeling of heaviness and dullness, or a complete opposite, a feeling of restlessness and too much energy. Where in the body do you notice these sensations exactly? In the head, jaw, chest, belly, back or arms, hands, legs or feet. Remember that whatever you are sensing and feeling belongs here. There is no need to change or control your experience. If there is some physical discomfort in the body, try meeting it with as much kindness and compassion as possible. Perhaps placing a hand on a painful spot or the heart area and reminding yourself that you are giving your body a break it deserves. You are taking care of it in the best way you can. The body simply needs some rest and time to digest, be it food or maybe too much activity. If it is helpful, you can imagine a caring person reminding you to stay kind to yourself. Let your mind refocus on the breathing, simply noticing each breath as it enters and exits your body. The breathing may be easier to detect around the nose or mouth, or perhaps in the movement of your chest and belly. Try paying attention very lightly. No need to control the breath or make it deeper or slower than it is. Your body knows very well how to breathe, and you can just enjoy this natural and automatic activity. Letting your body further relax and the mind calm down in the process. If breathing is not comfortable for any reason, you can focus your attention on sounds or the place in your body where sensations are pleasant or neutral. You can freely choose the best anchor for your meditation and then simply let your attention rest with that anchor for a moment of silence. The breathing, the sounds, or body sensation. Remembering to gently return to the anchor, the breathing, sound, body sensations. If you notice your mind has wandered, there's no need to worry about distractions, no need to follow them or resist. They typically dissolve on their own, like fluffy white clouds floating in the vast blue sky. Return to the present moment and let the body relax and mind calm down naturally. Practicing in silence for a little bit longer. Returning to the breath, sounds, or body sensations whenever the mind gets distracted by thoughts or emotions or anything else inside or outside of you. Let's return to noticing how your body is doing right now. Is your body a bit more relaxed right now? Or perhaps there is still some tension or tiredness remaining. What could you do today to release that tension even further? Could you take a bit of time away from people and activities just to have a nap? Take a walk in nature, have a long bath, anything else? Perhaps there is still some pain or discomfort. How could you address these today? Maybe have some herbal tea or necessary medication. Do some gentle stretches or simply apply some warm or cold treatments. How could you address any pain or discomfort that you may be still feeling? Finally, if you feel an upsurge of energy, what would you like to do after you finish this practice? Would you like to spend some time with friends or loved ones? Would you like to do something creative? Would you like to exert this energy in some physical activity? Or perhaps mental activity like learning or reading? What would you like to do after you finish today's practice? In the last minute of the meditation, I am inviting you to reflect on those questions, depending on the way your body and mind feel right now. What would you like to do next? And listen to your deepest heart desires. Before we finish today's practice, I invite you to take few deep breaths again. Perhaps slowly move your fingers and toes, stretch or move your body in the way that feels good to you, and gently open your eyes if they were closed, returning fully to your surroundings and whatever activities you have waiting for you. Thank you for letting me guide you today. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Please like and subscribe if you did, and let me know in the comments which part you enjoyed the most. I wish you all a peaceful, fulfilling, and joyful New Year.